This is the open-ended football race, and you can use it really for any task. You can use it for individual student therapy or for mixed groups. And it's pretty simple how you play. In order to set it up, if you want to just view it as a slideshow where it will open on your entire screen, you're going to go up to slideshow and you're going to click on from the beginning, and it will show up on your entire screen. Now, if you want to have it as half of a screen or you want to have it as a shared screen so you can see your student if you're doing distance learning or teletherapy, you're going to click Setup Slideshow, and you're going to click Browse by an individual window, and then push OK. And then when you click OK, it's going to show just the slideshow in that one window. So we're just going to do the entire slideshow. So you're going to see from the beginning. And when you open it from the beginning, it's just going to show up on your entire screen. You can click any of the buttons that show up on your screen. So, for example, you can click directions, terms of use, repetitions, or tasks. So we're just going to go to the directions so you can kind of see the directions. And then when I click it, it's going to go right to the directions page. Okay, so now that we're on the directions page, you've got these quick directions right here, a video tutorial, which you are watching right now, or go back home. So I'm going to click back home. The terms of use is also here. Now, if you are working on tasks such as language tasks, social skills tasks, anything that I usually recommend using if you're going to have them do 1 to 2 things, you're going to use this one. If you're looking for repetitions like articulation or apraxia, you're going to use this slide, and this will have them say their words and sounds 5 to 10 times. So I'm just going to go to repetitions. Okay, now you're going to have your students choose what team they want to be on. So if you're in individual therapy, you just pick a color and your student picks a color and you play against each other. Or what you can do, you can have one student just play both characters if they want to just do both teams at the same time if they aren't that great with competitive games yet. You can also, if you are in doing group therapy, you can have these students team up in different groups. So what you're going to have the students do is they're just going to take turn clicking any of these 4 footballs. And all of these footballs have tasks in them. They have 10 different jerseys with tasks. So it's going to randomize what jersey they get and what task they have to do. So this one says say a word 10 times. It will give you time for the student to say that word. So you can give them any word you want to give them. They're going to say it 10 times. When they're done, they'll just click the I did it button on either of the helmets, and then it will move their character. So the blue one, you can click the red one, the blue one, you can go 2 times. If it says to move forward twice, they're going to click it twice. Every time they click it, it's going to move them ahead 1 space. So again, you can click any of these, and they'll go away after themselves after about 10 seconds. So they'll give students time to complete the tasks. And some of them also have things like lose a turn. I think there's go ahead another space without doing a task. So there's all different ones that you can use. If you want to get back to home, you just click the home button, and that is it.